Jamb 2019 Principal Accounts. Past question number 20. When goods are sent to the branch at cost plus. When goods are sent to the branch at cost plus, it means that the branch should sell at option A says a price above or below the stipulated price. Option B says at any price but not below the transfer price. Option C says cost price. Option D says a price that is equal to the markup. Now, cost plus markup. Cost plus markup. Plus markup is the most effective method of charging goods to the branch, goods to the branch. Under this pricing method, the goods will be charged into the branches at costs. Into the branches at cost plus markup, which is a fixed percentage. This method can provide a reasonably reliable reliably check upon the cash and stock. Cash and stock at the branch. And the gross profits will be disclosed by the accounts.
There's nothing like that. There's nothing that's never existed in our dictionary.
Disclosed by the accounts.
That thing is wrong, I just tell you that this thing does not exist. Those of people are very difficult. They are very difficult.
So, based on this, option A is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.